Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making for you some cornmeal porridge. In my cup here you can see my cornmeal. You soak your cornmeal before you make it in a cup or a bowl with cold water and you stir it while it's in there soaking for about 5 minutes. Right here on the stove you can see my pot boiling. It's got the coconut milk in. I personally like to boil my coconut milk, guys, for about 5 minutes before I put my cornmeal. I'm going to be adding some spices. So I'm adding some nutmeg. I'm adding some cinnamon, and you can also see some leaves in the milk boiling. That's my cinnamon leaves. Yeah? So you add according to your desire. I'm stirring up my cornmeal in the cup because I'm going to add it in the pot of boiling coconut milk, guys. Stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Now I am going to pour. Pour, pour, pour. And I'm pouring it in, and then I'm going to dunk my cup and wash out the excess cornmeal that's left in the cup, guys. Yeah? So I'm pouring it, I'm stirring, I'm mixing, getting out the excess, and now you're gonna mix like your life depends on it. If you don't mix your cornmeal, guys, while it's boiling, it will get lumpy. Yeah, there'll be lumps and it will spoil the porridge. So you need to mix, 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 stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Soon you're gonna see me changing my spoon because this spoon is annoying and it's getting on my nerves. So I'm going to be changing it for a wooden spoon. But yes, I'm mixing and I'm stirring and you can see it's bubbling. So you mix until it comes to boil. Yeah, once it starts boiling again, you can slow down on your mixing, but you still need to mix in between, guys. Yeah? See, I've changed my spoon. Voila! Hey, presto changeo. And I'm mixing some more and I'm stirring some more. Yes? And I boil my porridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes? And that's with the cornmeal in the coconut milk. So there's an extra 5 minutes for the coconut milk by itself. So once this is finished boiling, I'm sweetening now, guys. My porridge is finished and I'm adding some more spice. A little bit more nutmeg and a little bit more cinnamon. Yes, so that's me adding my nutmeg. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And you sprinkle. And I'm putting some vanilla, guys. Some nice, lovely vanilla. Yes. And like I said, you put to your contentment and your desire. Yes. I'm adding some brown sugar, some brown cane sugar, aka demerara sugar. So you add again, you put your sugar to taste. What your taste is, if you don't want to put sugar, then that's up to you. But I'm putting sugar, otherwise it's just going to taste fresh and taste like nothing. So I add my sugar, I'm stirring, I'm stirring, I'm stirring, stir, 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 mix, mix, mix. Yes? I should have added my milk first, guys, before the sugar. But you can put it either way. I put my sugar first. Now you're going to see me pouring my condensed milk. That's it. Pouring my condensed milk, my lovely condensed milk. You don't have to use condensed milk again if you don't want. You can use whatever milk you choose. But this is the way I know it in Jamaica. So this is the way that I'm doing it. Some condensed milk, not too much because you don't want your porridge to be too sweet. But you add it and you mix. Yeah. And there I'm mixing. I'm going to be plating it up now. I got myself a ladle because the spoon wasn't cutting it. So now I'm pouring. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that goodness? Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so good. I'm pouring. I'm getting another scoop. I'm putting it in my bowl. This is not for me, by the way, guys. This is for a recipient of my house. So I'm pouring that into the bowl. And I'm pouring it. And now, hey presto. Voila. So guys, this is my seed, my chia seed, my linseed, my super linseed mix. This is optional again. You don't have to use this, but I like to put stuff like this. And of course, I wouldn't be a Jamaican if I didn't have bread. Look at the bread, guys, with the butter. Look at that goodness. So yummy. Do you want a plate, guys? Pull up a chair and I'll share you some. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy how to make porridge. You know, you can follow my video, you can add, you can take away, like I said. Cooking is fun, guys. I love cooking. This is my baby. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a like. Please come again. Bye.